My whole style is different. I just can't ride the way I normally can. It's starting to seem like a podium might be possible tomorrow, even though I was just asking for a finish a couple days ago.
Third here last 2 years, and I want to break that streak. Try to get a win here soon.
Where now it's really dry. You got the dust factor, so you can't follow within probably like 20 seconds.
And now he's approaching Trystan Hart to take over that first place.
Be smooth and consistent through these areas, because if any of these rocks can really get up there and bite you.
And there we go. There's Trystan Hart. Look at him. He is moving.
Yes, this is a battle. I think that's our leaders coming up on the lapped riders. Our winner of the 2025 Monster Energy King of the Motos, Trystan Hart.